where they really just really pack a punch. They really just really. Hey guys, welcome back. So I got a video for y'all today on these beautiful products from Too Faced. They were so super sweet and sent these to me, so these were PR. So first off is the Born This Way, the Natural Nudes Complexion Inspired Eyeshadow Palette. Beautiful, so excited about this. And then this is the Turn Up the Light Complexion Enhancing Highlighting Palette. And there are 4 different shades of this type of palette. So I'm going to run through these different products, show you a little look into them, show you some swatches, let you know my thoughts about them along the way. And then I will also show you a tutorial on how I did this look right here, this kind of glowy, neutral makeup look. So yeah, let's get to it. So starting with the Born This Way, the Natural Nudes Complexion Inspired Eyeshadow Palette. So this is what the outside box looks like. And then here is the palette itself, kind of has some texture to it along here, which is kind of a cool detail. And then you open it up. Well, this is what the back looks like. So that's pretty. And then you open it up, nice functional mirror in here, nice sturdy packaging to it. And here is the color story. Beautiful neutral palette, and you get little kind of duos basically. So a matte and then a super gorgeous metallic-y shade in each little duo. So you go from light to deeper, really pretty. I mean, I love the color story in here. So gorgeous. It is kind of a little bit more on the light side, I would say, overall. Seems like there's just a few more kind of medium to light shades than there are medium to deep. So just note that about it. But that is what it looks like. And then swatches, y'all. Swatches. Oh my goodness. So incredibly beautiful. These shades are all gorgeous. Just everyday, but also nighttime, smoky eye, special occasion, but you could also make it nice and light for daytime. I mean, just so versatile. Beautiful shades. Okay, formula on these shadows. I don't want to be dramatic, but I would say, in my opinion, I really feel like this formula is dang near perfect. I mean, the mattes are a silky, blendable, not overly soft formula, so they really don't kick up a lot of product in the pan or give you a lot of fallout on your face. So just a really easy to work with matte formula that blends really well, but doesn't blend away, doesn't blend together too much, just blends seamlessly. And then the metallic-y shades are just so incredibly pigmented. I mean, this is dry, but then if you use them with a setting spray like I did on the inner part of my lid, it just kicks them up even more. They are gorgeous. I mean, this is like the go-to sort of palette that I love, where you just have great mattes that work and then gorgeous, shimmery, metallic shades. So I clearly love this palette. I'm in love with it. I realized I was so excited I didn't even say the names to you so quickly. This is Swan, Glistening Snow, Shimmering Pearl, Seashell, Nude, Sparkling Sand, Rose Gold, and Petal. So that's those. And then Warm Rose, Sparkling Rum, Golden Light, Maple, Cocoa, Sugared Chestnut, Sparkling Sable, and Truffle. And the formula on the metallic-y shades, I would say, is more of that kind of thicker sort of a texture to them, where they really just really pack a punch. They really just really. They pack a punch. They're just that thicker sort of a formula that gives that super metallic sheen, but also builds on itself really well. So I think that's what makes them look so super duper metallic. I don't really notice a lot of fallout with them unless I really dig my brush into them. If I just, you know, kind of rough up a lot of product and have a lot of product on my brush, I am going to get a little bit of fallout, but that's just because I have too much product on my brush. So I would say just get a little bit. I kind of go back and forth with my brush and then tap off my brush. So doing that, I really didn't end up with a ton of fallout at all. I love them. And then there are the Born This Way Turn Up the Light Complexion Enhancing Highlighting Palette. So there are 4 different shades of these. I'm going to run through the different ones. So first off is Light. This is what the outside box looks like. Let me show you the outside box of medium, just so you can see it. So there's what that one looks like. And then what you get in here, so it looks like this, pretty packaging, nice and weighty, really fancy feeling. Mine has fingerprints all over it, so don't mind that. But you open it up, you have a nice mirror in here. I mean, really feels like just very high-end, luxurious makeup. It's so pretty. So you get 3 different products in here. You get a glow, a soft focus, and a dazzle. I think this is a genius idea. I mean, you get like the best of all the worlds in here. You get a beautiful metallic-y sort of a highlighter, a very soft, just almost like a setting powder, kind of a glow, and then you get a shimmery highlight. So this is one over here in each of the palettes that people are gonna love it or hate it. I love it because I love shimmer. It's very, I mean, it's beautiful shimmer. It's so pretty, but it is shimmer. But I love that they put all the options in these palettes. I mean, it's such a fun idea that you can play with it in different ways. You can use them individually or you can pair them all together. So it's just like a really good concept. So this one was light, and then here is medium. So this is what medium looks like. You can kind of see this one's a little bit more golden. The light shade is a little bit more on the kind of champagne pinky side. Might be kind of difficult to see, but here are the swatches. So light is on this side with glow, soft focus, and then dazzle. So there are those, and then medium is over here. Glow, soft focus, and dazzle. So beautiful. So I mean, formula on these, I think they're gorgeous. I love that you have different options in there. Soft focus is really beautiful on the skin. It's very subtle. You'll see it when I use it on my face in this tutorial. It just gives this soft glow, and then you apply the metallic-y shade, it kicks it up a notch, and then you can apply the dazzle and just get that pop of shimmer. So beautiful. And then there is deep. So here is the outer box for deep. And here is the palette. Beautiful kind of golden colors in this one. So beautiful. So glow, soft focus, and dazzle in that one. And then there is tan. So here's the box for tan. Beautiful, beautiful. You got tan. And then here is this one. So this one's a little bit richer. Again, glow, soft focus, dazzle. Beautiful, beautiful. Let me show you swatches on these. So on this side is deep, and then on this side is tan. Yes, tan and deep. I guess I kind of did those opposite. So this one is apparently the, it's a little bit more warm in tone, I would say, a little bit more golden in tone. So you can kind of see more of the formula in these against my skin tone. So you can really kind of see the metallic sheen of that one, the kind of soft focus glow of that one, and then the shimmer of the dazzle. These are beautiful. So clearly I am wildly impressed with these products. I think they are such nice quality. I mean, especially this eyeshadow palette, I know this is gonna be a go-to for me because this color story in here, these shadows are the types that I know I just reach for, that I feel comfortable in. They're gonna give you those never fail you sort of eye looks. They can go from day to night, all different kinds of scenarios, date, night, work looks. I mean, it's just so versatile, and the formula is incredible. I mean, I am super impressed with this palette, but I also really love the highlighter palettes. I think they are such a cool concept to have the 3 different types in one palette. The formula is so good on each of them. I mean, it just works, and it's a great idea that they're all in there together. So I'm super impressed with these products, clearly. So those are my thoughts on them. So now we're gonna get to the tutorial on this look. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna start out by taking some of this matte shade right here and just getting a nice base for my shadows. Okay, next I'm gonna take some of Nude on a crease brush. Just apply this right into my crease and transition area. So beautiful and blendable. I mean, you could seriously just put on some liner and mascara and be done with your eye look just with that. So pretty. Okay, so next I'm gonna get some of Maple on a smaller crease brush. This is a Morphe M507. And I'm going to put this in my outer corner and blend over into my crease just a little bit lower. Next, I'm going to take just a few little taps of this darkest shade, which is Truffle, and apply that right into my outer corner, just a tiny little bit, keeping it out there and then just blending slightly. Now I wiped off that small crease brush. I'm going to get some of Seashell and just go right above that crease shade I am barely touching. Just want to blend that up a little bit higher. So I'm using a lighter crease shade. Going to clean up my brow bone with some of Swan. I don't even know what to do on the lid because I love all of these colors so much. I think I'm going to get some of this one right here, which is Sugared Chestnut, and just apply this in the outer half of my lid. Okay, now I'm going to take some of Sparkling Sand on that same brush. I just kind of wiped it off, flipped it over. So we're going to get some of that and spray it with some setting spray. I'm about to drop everything and apply that to the inner half of my lids. Wow. Wow, wow. Just love these shadows so much. Okay, liner and mascara. I'm going to use the Better Than Sex liner and the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara and the Better Than Sex Mascara. So I'm going to apply those and I'll be right back. Okay, I also applied some concealer, powder, bronzer, and blush. So now for my lower lash line, I'm going to take some of this shade right here first, which is Seashell, and just run this along my lower lash line just for a little bit of dimension, but not a lot of color. I want to keep it pretty light there. And I'm going to take just a little tiny bit of this shade, Maple, and just going to kind of stamp this in the outer part of my lower lash line, just the tiniest little bit. And now just going to finish up the eyes with some lower lash line mascara. Last step for the eyes, y'all know I love a little inner corner pop. So I'm going to take some of this shade right here, which is Glistening Snow, on a pencil brush and just pop some of that on that inner corner of my eyes. And then I am so excited to play with these, the Turn Up the Light. So I think I'm going to start with medium, and I think I'm going to get a little bit of this middle soft focus shade from the medium on just kind of a fluffier highlighter brush. And I'm just going to kind of dab this and glide this in that highlighty area. Just a little softness. I want to start with this one because I think I'm kind of like technically in between the light and the medium as far as this soft focus shade. So just kind of like going in between the two. First starting with this medium. That's beautiful. Subtle, so pretty. So now I'm going to take light and get this soft focus shade on that same brush. Kind of go in the same sort of area. Oh yeah, this is definitely lighter. So just taking a little bit of this and blending. Y'all can see it. I'm even kind of going under my eyes a little bit. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. That's stunning. If you just want kind of a lit from within, like soft focus, sort of a glow, that is beautiful. Now I'm going to go in with Glow. I'm just going to get some of that and put that right on my cheekbones. And just kind of apply that, blend that around. That's beautiful too. I love that you have options with this, that you can just kind of kick it up as you want to. Wowee, so fun. Okay, and then lastly, I'm going to take some of Dazzle. So this one won't be for everybody. Gotta like shimmer to like this. I do. So I'm just going to get some of that and put this in that same sort of area. Just kind of lightly applying it. And I'm just going to finish up my look with a nude lip combo. The Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Liner and Maybelline's Bare Reveal. Okay guys, so that wraps up this video. So I hope that you really enjoyed it and I hope it was helpful for you. Please hit a thumbs up if it was and let me know down below what you think about these products. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on them. Let me know that down below. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!